It's back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you what I bought in Japan. So, I'm now in Hilton, Osaka, Japan. So, but first, I'm going to show you one squishy and two slimes. You guys have to guess which one of the slime is homemade. If you think the yellow one is the the yellow is the homemade one, then you dislike this video. But if you think the pigmented one is the homemade one, you can leave a like on this video so I would know your answers, and I'll tell you at the end of this video. So I will give you 7 seconds to answer that. Just click the dislike button and like button. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you guys have done that, be sure to subscribe this video, and also subscribe my channel and leave the post notification bell. Click the smash the notifications bell, so you will never miss a video like this one. So yeah, let's just get started. So first, hold on guys, I need to take out the slime so it's not suspicious. Alright, so is this homemade, or is it this one is the pigmented one? Is it homemade or is it bought? Okay, check it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, are you done? Yes, you are correct. This is the homemade one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the yellow one, which is the one that is not homemade. Wow, this is my slime, guys. I made it. One day I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's perfect. It's kind of like jiggly too, but now it's not that jiggly. But it's not overactivated, not even underactivated. But yeah, ta-da! So this is my slime. It's a little sticky because I haven't played with it for a long time, but I think I still love it. This is my first favorite slime, and if you like the slime, please tell me if I'm allowed to comment already. Please tell me in the description. Tell me in the comment if I'm already allowed to comment, because now I'm not allowed yet. Please say if you like the slime, and if you think this slime I should make a video of how to make it. Please comment #pigment_awesomeness. So yeah, if you want me to make a tutorial of this, but of course I'll make it. I will have time, of course. But yeah, let's just go on to the next slide. So this is new. I just got it. I haven't opened it, so give me a second. Give me a sec. Hold up. Oh! So, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's yellow. That is so clear. I'm so scared to even touch it. Guys. How? Oh, it smells disgusting. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be making a swirl, guys. But this is a little too overactivated, but so clear. Okay, guys. First of all, who doesn't like this? Hey? Okay, so. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Look at that. I know you guys can't see it because it's clear. But OMG, this is so nice. It's like a putty, but it's like a clear putty. Oh gosh, I love this. It's citron amoeba. So you can find this slime at blah blah station, Umeda station. I think Umeda. In the shop, the Pocky World, you could just find it near the cashier. There's the pigmented one too. You could check the pigmented one, but I found this yellow and it was the last one. So yeah. It was the last yellow one, but I love yellow. There is also the other color, but I don't really like it. I forgot what color it is. I forgot, but it's like a dark color. Oh, it's sorry. It's just clear, guys. It has no coloring, so it's just clear. Ignore the background noise. It's the Indiana Jones.
There's more.
Alright, so guys, you could find this slime in Pocky World in Umeda, Osaka, Japan. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, on to the next thing. It's really hard to put in. It's hard to put it back in the container. Alright, so I think I really like this. I give this like a 9 out of 10 because the reason why I give it 9 out of 10 is because it's kind of like too overactivated. How about like it's a little more underactivated? I think it's like slightly underactivated. I think that would be a really good slime.
Mama kan ada 18 lagi.
Because you went to the 18th floor again.
Yeah.
So this is 9 out of 10, but my slime's still 10 out of 10. So I like it. Here's my new squishy. Wait, Ma, I'm making a video. Don't you see? Okay. Alright, so here's my next thing. It's a squishy. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Alright, so it's so sad. I don't know what squishy is this. Like the goat shape. And it's not even gonna rise. I'm just gonna like timer it. I mean like so it's so small right there. There's a defect over here. Ignore it. Okay, that's 30. 31. Timering it. When will it rise? Okay, it rises like 20 seconds. But it smells really good. It smells like vanilla. Like vanilla heaven. Right, so I am gonna throw this away. But yeah, that's all I want to show you guys. So yeah. Bye guys. Arigatou gozaimasu. Hi. Bye.